Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elevate Your Events, integrating Zoho CRM with Zoho Backstage. We're delighted to have you with us as we explore how organizations can simplify event management by connecting their event platform with their customer relationship management system. As we all know, managing registrations, attendee engagement, event communications, and even post event follow ups can be challenging when information is spread across different tools. So, for today's session, we'll show you how integrating Zoho Backstage with Zoho CRM could create a more connected workflow that would help teams manage events more efficiently while maintaining accurate customer data. Leading today's webinar is Wendell, one of our account managers, who will walk us through the integration process, demonstrate its key capabilities, and share how businesses can use this connection to improve event execution and, of course, campaign performance monitoring. With that, let's get started. Over to you, Wendell.
Thank you, Jasper. Good morning. I'd like, before we start, I'd like to verify if I'm clearly audible.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's great. So I'd like to thank everyone and welcome you all to today's webinar. I am Wendell. You can just call me Wentz. And I am an account manager here at DevTech. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us today. I am very excited to dive into how we can make your event management a whole lot easier and much more impactful. So without further ado, I'd like to start with a quick look at Zoho Backstage. So it's basically an incredibly powerful online event management platform designed to help you run everything from corporate meetings to classroom trainings to major trade shows. But the real magic happens when you integrate it with Zoho CRM. Suddenly, you can create and manage backstage events directly inside your Zoho CRM, instantly invite your existing leads or contacts, and seamlessly track critical metrics like ticket sales, checked-in attendees, revenue, and sponsor details. So best of all, if like the platform features a two-way sync, so meaning any event you create in Backstage automatically shows up as a campaign in your Zoho CRM. So now the obvious next question is, how do we actually get these two powerful tools talking to each other? Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, we need to head over to the marketplace to enable the integration. To do this, simply go to Setup, click on Marketplace, choose Zoho, and look for Zoho Backstage. Then you click Setup Now and get started. Then from there, you'll see a drop-down list under Portal List. Just select your active portal. If you don't have one yet, you don't worry. You can easily click Create New Portal right there. And then once that's set, click Enable. And then finally, under User Mapping, click Add Users to select and assign the CRM users who will need access. Then next, let's configure your push settings. This tells the system how to handle incoming event data. You just need to decide whether you want your backstage attendees and guests to be pushed into Zoho CRM as brand new leads or map to your existing contacts. Make your choice, click update, and your baseline integration is officially ready to go. Now that the technical setup is behind us, let's get to the fun part, creating an event. Because our integration is already live, you can launch a brand new Zoho Backstage event without ever leaving the campaigns module in your CRM. Here's how you do it. Head over to your campaigns module, click the add or plus icon, and then select Zoho Backstage. Click on the creation page. Just fill in your backstage details, your general campaign information, and a quick description. Then you hit save and your event is officially created. Now, please keep in mind that if you ever need to edit specific backstage event details later on, you'll want to do it directly inside Zoho Backstage. Now, what if you're already looking at a specific list of leads and contacts in your CRM and want to add them to a campaign right there and then? You can you can actually do that. Just select the records, click more, and then hit add to campaigns. From there, you can either link them to an existing campaign or quickly spin up a brand new backstage event on the spot by hitting create new. Then one quick thing to note: when you first create an event, it will initially launch without any participants. That's completely normal, as attendees can only be added once you've configured your tickets and officially published the event. To make managing this easy, the quick links on your CRM campaign details page, as well as the dedicated Zoho Backstage icon, will take you directly to the right page and in Backstage whenever you need to jump over. But what if you already have events sitting in Zoho Backstage you created for setting up this integration? No problem at all. You can just easily push those existing events into Zoho CRM, where they will automatically be captured as campaigns. So this triggers that continuous two-way sync, ensuring attendee updates and event changes mirror perfectly across both platforms. And yes, you can turn this synchronization on and off whenever you need to. So to sync those historical events over, start by logging into your Zoho Backstage account, navigate to settings, look under integration, and then click CRM. So from there, select configuration details, and you'll see a clear list of all your events ready to be synced. You just need to perform the action push to CRM for it to be perfectly synced. And now that your events and systems are perfectly aligned, let's talk about filling the seats. Let's look at how easy it is to start inviting your existing CRM leads and contacts to your upcoming event. To send out invitations, just go to your campaigns module and open up your specific event record. On the left-hand side, click on leads or contacts from the related list, and then hit the plus invite prospects button. Then simply check the boxes for the people you want to invite. Then click next, set their campaign member status, and then hit save. Oh, and if you realize an invitee isn't in your database yet, you don't have to change screens. Just click the new lead or contact button right from this window. And then once you click that button, a quick create window pops up whenever you where you can type in the basic details and save them directly to your CRM. Just a quick reminder here that you'll be able to officially send out these invites once your event tickets are fully configured and published over in Zoho Backstage. And then once your invitations are out and registrations start rolling in, your CRM turns into a very powerful tracking dashboard. And let's look at the incredibly detailed campaign statistics you can view right from your record details page. First up is the finance flow, which basically features a really intuitive waterfall chart. This gives you a crystal clear breakdown of your financial health, showing your gross revenue from sponsors and ticket sales combined with revenue from your CRM deals. It then subtracts your expenditures to give you your exact net amount. You also have two great customization options here. You can toggle on include open deals to factor in potential revenue from pending sales, or you can choose to exclude deals associated with contacts if you want to keep those numbers separate from your primary graph. Right alongside the financials, you also get a dedicated ticket details section. This gives you a real-time, high-level view of your inventory, showing exactly how many tickets are still available, how many have been sold, and if any have been canceled. Then you can also view your complete list of sponsors, speakers, and organizers directly inside Zoho CRM records. Though remember, actually adding or editing these VIPs must be done inside Zoho Backstage as well. A few quick things to keep in mind for your dashboard to display correctly. Ensure you've entered your expenditure data and set up your tickets. And make sure your multi-currency settings in Zoho CRM match the currency used for your event ticket so your charts calculate flawlessly. So as you juggle multiple events, keeping track of what's active and filtering through data becomes incredibly important. So let's look at how Zoho makes managing your ongoing campaigns completely effortless. Inside the CRM, your backstage details will always display one of the three real-time statuses. It will show as live once the event is published, running when the event is actively taking place, and completed once everything wraps up. Then remember, there is always a direct access Zoho Backstage button right there if you ever need to jump into the event backend. Now, because a single lead or contact may participate in multiple events over time, you can easily filter their records to find a specific campaign. Just open up a lead or contact record, scroll down to their campaigns related list, and click the filter icon. From there, you can set your specific criteria, add or remove fields, and even reorder them to see exactly what you need. And then you just need to click apply, and then you've got your refined list already. Now, to wrap things up, let's discuss how to manage the integration if your business needs change. There might come a time when you need to temporarily deactivate or disable the connection between Zoho CRM and Zoho Backstage. Now, to do that, if you just need a temporary break, you can choose to disable the integration. This unlinks your campaigns and pauses data sharing, but the moment you re-enable it, your sync resumes right where it left off. So you do this by going to Setup, Marketplace, Zoho Backstage, and clicking Disable. However, if you want to permanently separate the sync between the two applications, you would choose to deactivate. This completely disconnects the two platforms, and all your existing Backstage campaigns will permanently turn into standard offline CRM campaigns. To do this, follow those same steps to click Disable, but make sure to select the Deactivate Radio button in the pop-up before confirming. And that basically brings us to the end of our session today. We truly hope this walkthrough gives you a much better understanding of how seamlessly Zoho Backstage and Zoho CRM work together to turn everyday event data into actionable business insights. Thank you all so much for your time today, and we can't wait to see how you use these tools to elevate your next big event. Have a wonderful rest of the day, everyone.
Thank you, Wendell, for the informative presentation and for demonstrating how Zoho Backstage and Zoho CRM can work together to create a more streamlined and effective event management process. We hope today's webinar has given you valuable insights into simplifying event operations and gaining better visibility into your event and campaign performance through a fully integrated platform. Should you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more about implementing this solution within your organization, our team at DevTech is here to help. You may reach us at info@devtech.com or visit www.devtech.com to schedule a consultation or personalized demonstration. Thank you once again for joining us today. We appreciate your participation and we look forward to helping you maximize the value of your Zoho solutions. Have a wonderful day ahead and we hope to see you at our future webinars.